In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Twitch account to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to set up Xbox and Twitch together, you have to do this process through an Xbox console. It doesn't matter which one you have, if it's old gen like Xbox One or new gen Xbox Series S or X, you will be able to connect Twitch in conjunction with Xbox and access plenty of features. So to do this, press the Xbox button to open the menu or the Xbox guide and head over to your account. Then choose the settings here. So go into the settings using the Xbox guide. Inside of the settings, under the account category, you will find linked social accounts. This is where you will be able to manage external connections, including Twitch. So go to linked social accounts, and finally you will see the Twitch option. So go to the left and right until you find it here. So this will allow you to show the Twitch's icon on your profile and live stream from your console directly to Twitch. So when you choose the link option, this will open a web browser, and as you can see here, it is on the official twitch.tv website. What you have to do now is input your username and password and sign into your account. By signing into your Twitch account through this page, the connection will be established. You can manage it at any time by going over to linked accounts, and it is going to appear here. And as long as you have this connection established, you will be able to live stream directly from your console. To my knowledge, you can only initiate this link if you do this process through the Xbox console. I tried to search for a way on the Twitch website, but sadly I was unable to. If you know of a specific method to initiate this process on the Twitch website, please let us know in the comment section below. And besides this, there's nothing else to do. You will be able to manage your connection on the Xbox settings, but by doing this, it is now going to be established with the live stream options available. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Twitch account to Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.